Doing a quick video on a 2005 Chevy Equinox and how to do an oil change. This is what you'll need here. There you go. That's the size that you'll need. I've already taken out the one bolt that you'll unscrew in order to drain the oil. This is the size filter you need for a 2005 Chevy Equinox, and you can use 5W30 or 10W30. 10W30 is a little thicker oil, so it'll last longer than the 5W30, which is thinner. So the plug where this goes is directly under the car. Make sure you get a nice bucket to catch your oil. As you can see, the oil is still dripping where I took out the screw. So the screw will be directly on the opposite side of where that oil is dripping. On the opposite side of the oil pan are two screws that you see here. You don't need to touch those. You only need to touch the one screw right there that's dripping. So once you pull out the screw, what you do is push into the screw as you're twisting it out, so that you don't have oil squirt everywhere when you remove the screw. That's just one little trick that I've learned from doing it over time. So just apply pressure towards the actual housing for the screw as you unscrew it, and then once it's completely unscrewed, you can pull away from it really fast and the oil will spurt out without getting all over your hands or gloves or whatever. So yeah, so once that oil is completely drained, you can wipe off that little housing there, and then basically replace the screw. Alright, so oh, lost the screw. Actually, you know what? Let me go grab a napkin so that I can clean this off before I place it with the screw. Alright. Let's clean that up there. It's not dripping anymore. So now I think it's safe to say that we can put the screw back in. Oh, that's one little drip. That'll be fine. You know what? Let me put my gloves on. Alright, so got the screw tightened. Now we're gonna find the filter, which is directly under the car, and it'll be, sorry about that, right there, conveniently located. Boom, boom. So all we're gonna do is make sure we have our drain pan conveniently located right underneath it to catch any oil that comes out, because there will be oil. Man, how was that last episode of Game of Thrones? Sometimes you can twist this thing off if it has the grip here, and if you can't do it, what I like to use sometimes is the 1 second. I'm gonna grab this tool that I like to use. This bad boy right here, because you can stretch the mouth out and get a nice grip on there. But the thing is, I can't hold the phone and do this, so I'm gonna have to. Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can set the phone down real quick, because I know you guys want to see me work. That's what you came for. Let me see. Alright. Let's do this. No, it's not gonna work. Trying to find a safe place to sit the phone down so you can see what's going on. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause the video, guys. Sorry. Alright, I think you can see that a little bit. So, let's see what I can get going here. Oh, the wind knocked you guys over. Such light feet. If only it would stay. Let's see if I can do it by hand first. Same thing here, apply pressure as you're twisting it so that it comes right up. So I spilled oil everywhere. Look at that. Got it all over my speaker there. That didn't work out as planned. Sometimes it happens like that. Good thing I had this thing laid down. So, but all the oil has come out. Filters out. Now I can just pop this bad boy in and then fill it up with the new oil, and then we're done. You are done. Just make sure you clean up after yourself, you dirty kid. Alright guys, I also want to make a note of saying that don't discard your old oil down a sewer drain or in some grass or whatever, man. People do some crazy stuff. Just simply pour it back into the container from the new oil and take that to your local AutoZone, Pep Boys, wherever, and they'll take that oil, or just sit it outside their door and just leave it. Like they'll have to take it, you know. But yeah, AutoZone for sure takes the old oil. Just pour it back in here, let them know you're returning the old oil, and then you leave. All right, don't pour that oil into this container and just sit it out and throw it into the garbage can, guys. We're doing damage to the earth by doing that. So let's be more earth conscious. Peace.